There's a quiet joy in gardening, watching seeds become strong, healthy plants. It's a process that requires patience and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. From the moment you place the tiny seeds into the soil, you embark on a journey of growth and transformation. You prepare the soil, sow with care, and water with hope. Each action is a step towards nurturing life, a testament to your commitment and love for nature. The soil, rich and fertile, cradles the seeds, promising a future of lush greenery. Each day, you notice new leaves unfurling, feeling a deep connection to the earth. The sight of fresh green leaves brings a sense of accomplishment, a reminder that your efforts are bearing fruit. The garden becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. The process is slow, steady, and rewarding, filling you with accomplishment and peace. Each plant, each leaf, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. The garden flourishes under your care, becoming a vibrant tapestry of life. The promise of a homegrown harvest is wonderful. The sight of ripening tomatoes, the feel of freshly picked vegetables in your hands, fills you with pride. It's a tangible reward for your labor, a delicious bounty that you've nurtured from seed to harvest. But one morning you find holes in your cabbage leaves. Uninvited visitors have arrived. Pests, small but destructive, have found their way into your garden. The sight of damaged leaves is disheartening, a stark contrast to the healthy plants you've worked so hard to grow. Your heart sinks. All that care, now under attack. The frustration is palpable, a mix of anger and sadness. You've invested so much time and effort, and now it feels like it's all slipping away. Every gardener knows this disappointment. It's a shared experience, a common struggle. Conversations with fellow gardeners often turn to tales of pest invasions and the battle to protect precious plants. Pests appear from nowhere, ready to feast on your dreams. They come in many forms, each with the potential to wreak havoc on your garden. The sight of insects crawling on your plants is a stark reminder of the challenges you face. It can feel like a constant battle, turning a peaceful hobby into a stressful war. The joy of gardening is overshadowed by the relentless fight against pests. Each day brings new challenges, new threats to your hard-earned progress. You might see weak carrot tops or leeks with strange markings, signs of persistent pests. The damage is often hidden, only revealing itself when it's too late. It's a disheartening sight, a reminder of the ongoing struggle. The frustration is real, making you question if a beautiful, productive garden is possible without endless struggle. But it is possible. There are ways to protect your garden, to ensure that your hard work is not in vain. There's a way to protect your plants that's simple, effective, and works with nature. Techniques like companion planting, using natural predators, and setting up protective netting can make a world of difference. You don't need to feel defeated. With the right approach, you can reclaim your garden and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Confidence returns as you see your plants thrive once more. There's a secret to a pest-free garden. It's about working with nature, not against it. Embracing natural solutions can lead to a healthier, more resilient garden. And it's easier than you think. With a little knowledge and effort, you can create a thriving, pest-free garden that brings joy and satisfaction. The journey is worth it, and the rewards are plentiful. Pests cause more than cosmetic problems. They can wipe out entire crops. Cabbage root fly maggots burrow into roots, stunting growth and killing plants before harvest. Flea beetles chew holes in seedlings, often overwhelming young plants. Carrot root fly larvae tunnel into roots, ruining your carrots from the inside. The damage is often hidden until it's too late. Aphids, caterpillars, and more. Each pest has its own cycle and favorite plant. As soon as you solve one problem, another appears. The battle can take the joy out of gardening, turning it into constant worry. Many gardeners look for a quick fix, but quick fixes rarely solve the real problem. The cycle continues, and the frustration grows. There must be a better way. Chemical sprays promise quick relief, but at a cost. Most pesticides kill not just pests, but also beneficial insects, ladybirds, lacewings, hoverflies, and bees. These allies help control pests and pollinate crops. Sprays leave residues on food and seep into soil and water, harming the ecosystem. They disrupt the balance, making your garden more vulnerable in the long run. Chemical solutions are temporary fixes, not long-term answers. They create dependency, kill pests, lose predators, and need to spray again. True success comes from balance, not constant intervention. A healthy garden thrives without chemical crutches. There's a smarter, safer solution. Let's look at what really works. After years of trial, I found a simple, effective solution: insect netting. This fine mesh creates a barrier, keeping pests out while letting sunlight, air, and water in. Prevention is better than cure. Stop pests before they reach your plants. Netting is affordable, reusable, and lasts for years. Unlike sprays, it's a one-time investment that protects season after season. No chemicals, no harm, just a physical shield. The peace of mind is priceless. You can focus on enjoying your garden, not fighting pests. Netting transforms gardening from a battle to a partnership with nature. It's a small change with a huge impact. Insect netting stops pests from feeding or laying eggs on your crops. Cabbage white butterflies, root flies, and beetles can't reach your plants. Birds and rabbits are also kept at bay, protecting seedlings and mature crops alike. Netting acts as a gentle fence, keeping wildlife and pests out. It even shields plants from wind and heavy rain, creating a calmer microclimate. Less stress means healthier, more vigorous growth. Plants under netting often look greener and yield more. They focus on growing, not repairing damage. The result: bigger, better harvests. Netting gives your vegetables the best chance to thrive. The power of insect netting becomes truly apparent when you see it in action, especially in carefully controlled side-by-side trials. It's one thing to hear about the benefits, but witnessing the difference firsthand is eye-opening. In my own garden, I set up 2 identical beds of cabbages, one protected by a layer of fine netting, the other left completely open to the elements. Both beds receive the same soil, sunlight, and care, so the only difference is the presence of the net. At first, both sets of cabbages sprout and grow with equal vigor. The seedlings look healthy, green, and full of promise, showing no signs of trouble. But as the days pass, trouble arrives. Pests quickly find the uncovered bed. Caterpillars, root flies, and other hungry insects descend, feasting on the tender leaves and causing visible damage almost overnight. The leaves of the unprotected cabbages soon develop holes. The plants begin to wilt, and some even die off completely. The damage is impossible to ignore, and the plants struggle to recover. Meanwhile, under the protective netting, the cabbages remain untouched. Their leaves stay whole and unblemished, and their growth is steady and vigorous, free from the stress of constant pest attacks. With the net in place, I don't have to constantly check for pests or worry about sudden infestations. The cabbages grow in peace, and I can relax, knowing they're safe. By the time harvest arrives, the difference between the 2 beds is dramatic and undeniable. The contrast is striking, even from a distance. The cabbages from the netted bed are large, vibrant, and perfectly formed, each one a testament to the protection the netting provides. In contrast, the uncovered cabbages are small, riddled with holes, and many are missing altogether, lost to pests before they could mature. The harvest from the netted bed is abundant and satisfying, while the uncovered bed yields only disappointment and frustration. This simple experiment is all the proof you need. Netting makes a world of difference, protecting your crops and ensuring a healthy, thriving garden. For anyone seeking a successful, stress-free harvest, insect netting is truly the key. It transforms gardening from a constant battle into a rewarding experience. The results speak for themselves. If you want to grow perfect cabbages and enjoy gardening with less worry, netting simply works. When it comes to protecting your crops, the first step is choosing the right netting. Look for a fine mesh, ideally with holes around 0.8 to 1.35 millimeters. This size is small enough to block out most common pests, including cabbage white butterflies, carrot flies, and aphids, while still allowing air, sunlight, and rain to reach your plants. The right mesh acts as a physical barrier, making it much harder for insects to get through and damage your crops. It's also important to choose netting that's strong and UV stabilized. This means it won't break down quickly in the sun, so you can reuse it season after season. Investing in quality netting saves you money and effort in the long run, and ensures your plants stay protected all year. To set up your netting, you'll need to support it above your plants. Use hoops made from plastic pipe, sturdy wire, or even hazel rods. These create a tunnel that keeps the netting off your crops, giving them space to grow and preventing damage from the weight of the net. Make sure the netting doesn't touch the leaves. If it does, pests like butterflies can still lay their eggs through the mesh, and some insects may even chew through to reach your plants. Keeping a gap is key to effective protection. Drape the netting carefully over the hoops, ensuring it covers the entire bed. Leave extra netting on all sides so you can secure it properly. This helps prevent any sneaky pests from finding a way in. Weigh down the edges with bricks, stones, or wooden planks. It's crucial to eliminate any gaps, as even the smallest opening can let pests slip through. Take your time to check all sides and corners. The net should be taut, but not overstretched. A snug fit keeps it in place during wind and rain, but overstretching can cause tears or make it difficult to reuse next season. Whenever you need to weed or tend your plants, remember to re-secure the netting afterwards. This simple habit keeps your crops protected at all times, even after maintenance. With everything in place, you've created a safe, protected zone for your vegetables to thrive. The netting acts like a shield, giving your crops the best chance to grow strong and healthy. While it might take a little time to install at first, this setup saves you countless hours of pest control and plant rescue later on. It's a small investment for a big reward. Throughout the growing season, your plants will be shielded from hungry insects, harsh weather, and even birds. You'll notice healthier, more vigorous crops as a result. Taking this proactive step means you can look forward to a bigger, better harvest. It's a simple, effective, and reliable way to protect your hard work and enjoy the fruits of your labor. In the end, netting is your garden's best defense, an essential tool for every gardener who wants to grow healthy, productive crops with less worry and more success. Some crops like courgettes, squash, beans, and peas need pollinators. Cover them with netting while young, then remove it when flowers appear so bees can do their work. By then, plants are strong enough to handle minor pest damage. For tall crops, use higher hoops and wider netting to allow for growth. Plan for the final size of your plants when setting up protection. If birds or rabbits are the main problem, use wider bird netting for airflow. Combine methods: fine mesh for carrots and cabbages, bird net for strawberries. Adapt your approach to your garden's needs. Observe, adjust, and protect accordingly. Flexibility is key to success. Gardening should bring joy, not stress. Preventing pests rather than fighting them changes everything. Insect netting puts you back in control. Try it on one bed, secure the edges, and watch your plants thrive. You'll see strong, healthy growth and perfect vegetables. Success with netting builds confidence to expand its use. It saves time and effort. No more constant pest checks or chemical sprays. Enjoy your garden, sow more seeds, or simply relax. You'll create a healthier environment for plants, wildlife, and yourself. Your food will be truly clean and safe. Invest in quality netting and hoops. It's an investment in abundance. Embrace this simple method and rediscover the joy of growing your own food. Happy gardening.